really don't like unclaimed charts. This move is very beautiful. Up clearance of this low but failing to close below. But there was actually a very decent entry on the in the London section. I'll show you now. As we go lower, yeah, beautiful clearance of this high, and then failure to close below this. Continue moving up. So I'll show you. There was a pretty decent move here. Yeah, this was an entry. But if someone was too scared, they could have entered anywhere. This FVG, anywhere here. Here, targeted, 300 ticks. Yeah, 300 ticks. Easy target of SL, easy SL. And then we can maybe target this high, but too crash. So we can target this high. Easy. What was this? Yes, it wasn't even the London high. It was pretty safe. And as you can see, price proceeded to go straight up. So now we can see here what I did. I already saw on the 15 minute the price cleared this low and but failed to close below this and closed pretty bullish up. This showed me that price wanted to go. Okay, so this is from 315 to 330. Suppose I did not take an entry till after 330 in this candle. This is the only candle. So in the 330 candle, that is when I tried to take an entry. So I'll show you. I'll show you why it's important. Why the HTF is so important. And that is something I forget. So I was. So this is 328. So like this is 330. So I have to take a trade after this. So all this moves down. Even this into this is an entry. This is an IFVG I could have used to enter. This is a higher time frame FVG's CE that I could have used to enter. All of these are beautiful entries, and this is after 330. So HTF is the way to go, which I am not doing myself. So I'm not only this call out that I'm doing is not for others to just listen. It is for me, for my own self, to ingrain it into my head that the HTF matters, and it matters a hell of a lot more than people think. Now, in this move down, price failed to close below this FVG's start, the low of this, the bottom of this FVG. Very good sign that price wanted to move. So if someone wanted to trade the London session, they could. It is pretty beautiful. Now, in the after the equity open, I would like to see price run below this and these equal lows too. This will be a lot of this will be a certain level of SSL where price runs and then reversal. I would like it more because a reversal without any clearance of SSL on the HTF would be just not that good. So this is 15 minute equal lows. I'll write it down as equal lows. And yeah, after that, what do I have to target? I can target these equal highs. I can target this Asian high, this Tuesday high. Is it the Tuesday high, right? Yeah, because the session closed early. These are equal highs. I can keep it easy. I can just target this and target this whenever it reverses from here. This is this is a BSL level, just not a London a session high. But yeah, this is a pretty decent level of liquidity then. So I will. So what is my plan today? On the HTF, I've analyzed and saw that price wants to head up. Price has cleared a lot of sell side in the previous day and then reversed up. Price is also on the 4 hour tapped into an FEG and then head up after the Asian session. After the in the London session, and one doing so, I'll also mark this up. Mm, Asian was pretty trash. Asian session was just not good. This is the Asian low, but this is just consolidation. So in the London session, we took out the Asian high, but failed to clear the Asian low. Doesn't matter. Maybe price reverse. And that's why I believe in reacting rather than just predicting. My bias, whatever the case is, my main goal for today is that I will frame my trades in the HTF and then I will take a position on the LTFs. Now I'm saying it wants to move up and I'll buy. But what happens if price doesn't go below there? Doesn't tap into those 1 hour FEGs and goes straight above? Then it shows me that that price is first going for the BSL and then will likely come for the SSL. And then high time frame showed me that price wants to move lower next. That is reacting to how price behaves. Right now we have more than an hour till the equity open. So it is plenty of time for price to do something, for price to develop. And secondly, yeah, there's a news at 10. I forgot. Oh, it's Joel's job openings. This is a volatile event. So I will be trading after this. Yes. This is a red folder event, and I will not be opening the position before this is available. Let me just confirm. Calendar. Let's see. Works factory. Common calendar. Yes, I prefer Works factory common calendar. For me, it's a lot simpler than the other ones. I think a lot of other people use this. So it's taking its time loading. Okay, okay. Why is it still not loaded? My God. Okay, yeah. Tool job openings is a red folder event, and yeah, it's going to be very, very risky to trade before this. So I want. Not just risky, it will be just stupid. With my level of experience, I should not be doing such stupid things at the least. I'm not saying I'm very experienced, I'm just saying that I've had my share of experience with bad news days. So yeah, let's see what happens. Maybe news opens, takes price low, taps into G's, then it's up while I buy and trade these and these. So let's see. My trades will be based on the HTF, and that's my only goal for today. If if I cannot understand the HTF, then I maybe go into a higher time frame and figure out what's going on there. But what I don't do is go into the 1 minute, see, oh, a market sector shift has happened and maybe price is going down now. No, I cannot do that. That's going to be stupid. Because and by that logic, this would have been a market structure shift, but it's not. So there are a lot of other things that I want to talk about. There are a lot of other ideas, but I want to leave a lot of other things for other lives too, other live experience too. One of the things that I want to talk about is the resilience it takes to become a trader. Now, I will let you know. I've been trying to become profitable for more than 3 years now, and the thing is, for the first 1.5 year, I honestly wasn't even. I hadn't still even found ICT. I hadn't still index funds, futures markets.